Namaskar, welcome back to my channel Karmic Predictions. I am Sneh Valecha, a tarot card reader, astrologer, clinical hypnotherapist and healer. So today friends, we are going to talk about weekly forecast from the date of 21st May to the 27th of May for the Cancer moon signs, Leo moon signs and the Virgo moon signs, that is कर्क राशि, सिंह राशि और कन्या राशि. और चलिए देखते हैं कि इनके भाग्य में क्या लिखा है, वॉट लाइज इन स्टोर फॉर देम थ्रू टैरो कार्ड्स. कर्क राशि वालों, ये आपका प्रिडिक्शन निकाल रही हूं मैं. Cancer moon signs have been of lately very much busy into something, like either they are planning some new kind of action, some new kind of ventures, or they are thinking like what kind of new work we can do. So they are so busy that they are not having time to look into their houses. But it's a very good thing. It will bring you a lot of success. Whatever you're planning, whatever you're thinking is going to make you shine like the sun. I've got very good cards and it is going to give you a very happy life. You will be very happy in your profession, in your house, in your workplace and with your family. So very good Cancer moon signs. It's a very good reading. Now let's see what lies in store for the Sinkha Rashi, that is the Leo moon signs. For the Leo moon sign, this time is going to be little tough, little difficult. At times you may feel everything I have to do alone. I have to do all the chores, all the work in the office, or all the work in the house alone. I have to handle everything alone. I've also got a confusion card. So before taking any decisions, just think properly. Think for some time, sit down, think for some time whether I should do this or not, because I've got a confusion card. You're very confused. Your time is also tough. You're feeling very alone also and you're very confused also. So doesn't matter. Take some time, sit and think. Maybe all the time is not rosy and good all the days. This also time comes to teach us something. सो सिंह राशि वालों, आप कुछ ये हफ्ता थोड़ा कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस मत लीजिए, थोड़ा अच्छे से सोचिए, उसके बाद ही आप कदम लीजिए. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि वर्गोस इनके नसीब में, इनके भाग्य में क्या लिखा है. वर्गोस, प्लीज़ डोंट गेट इनटू फाइट्स विथ एनीबडी, बिकॉज अगर आप किसी के साथ झगड़े में पड़ोगे तो आप सोचोगे अरे मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया. You will manage to be happy, but you may also feel very like you may feel life is not moving, I am not able to do what I want to do. So just relax for this 1 week, be happy at home. If the other workplaces or the surroundings is not working, so it's okay, be happy for this 1 week and some good things will come maybe in the next week. So this week don't fight with anybody, sit in your house, be happy, learn something new, read some beautiful good books and just pass your time quietly, just be at home, don't do anything else. So now very good new bonus for everybody. We are also seeing what the angels are coming to tell us, what blessings the angels are giving us. So we will see what lies, what blessing the angels are giving us for the Kark ascendants, the Kark Rashi, Sinkha Rashi and the Virgos, that is the Kanya Rashi. For Kark Rashi, I have got very good blessings from the angel. First of all, remove all the negative thoughts which you have in your mind. Clear your mind and manifest new thoughts. You will be blessed and those things will happen. So first of all, clear your mind, manifest new things and those things will be taken care of. When you start manifesting all positivity, all positive things, angels are going to bless you. Now for Sinkha Rashi, I have got this card that please listen. if somebody tells you something, if the universe is giving you some signal, or if somebody is advising you something, please listen. I know you all are very independent, you all like to take your decisions on your own, but no. This week I have got the angels telling me for you that just listen. When someone is telling you something, at least listen. And for the Virgos, I have got a very beautiful card. You will be blessed. Have positive intentions. Keep your intentions clear, clean, and whatever intent you make, it will be blessed. The angels are going to bless you with that. So for now, for the Virgos, for the Sinha Rashi and for the Kark Rashi, the prediction is this much. I will come back again next week for more. Till the time, please take care of yourselves and please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please share, and please hit the bell icon. So, tata, bye bye, alvida, all the best. Love you all. God bless you. Signing off now. Bye. I will come back again next week. Take care.